and welcome to the ultimate channel on YouTube. Today I want to give you a hell yes and ask you to subscribe. My name is edjcsmith and it is my pleasure to be with you.
Welcome to the Champion Academy, where we bring out the champion inside of you so you can live life on your terms. If you're an entrepreneur or you want to be an entrepreneur, you want more freedom, more choice in your life, then this is for you. 3 videos every single week. Money Monday. Videos to help you make more money, quicker, faster, better ways, online, offline, strategies, info that I've used, that my clients have used, that you can use too to help you further forward. Videos to help you get it done every single day so you can squeeze every single ounce out of every single day. Videos to free your mind so you can be who you want to be. Get rid of the past, create the future, and so that you can truly live life on your terms. So no matter what happens, never give up on your dreams. Make sure you subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you very soon.